Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Oba. Today I'll show you how to make skin whitening body butter. So easy to make, so let's start. Let's measure our ingredients. We need 62.5 grams of mango butter. You can choose to use shea butter, cocoa butter, or any butter of your choice, skin butter of your choice. And we are using 40 grams of sweet almond oil, which you can choose to use olive oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. You can choose to use that. So I'm measuring my sweet almond oil. Also, we are going to use 37.5 grams of sesame seed oil, and I'm measuring it. That one too, you can choose to use any oil of your choice, like coconut oil, grapeseed oil, any oil. You see, it depends on you what oil you like. I'm using avocado oil too, so it depends on you which type of oil you like. In the avocado oil, I use 17.5 grams, and I'm using 5 grams of isopropyl myristate. This one is going to help so that our skin will not be greasy. That's the reason why I'm using it. You can choose to replace it with any oil of your choice. 50 grams of yellow beeswax. You can use white beeswax of your choice. You can go for the yellow, as I'm using yellow, or you can go for the white. All of them will work. That is not a problem. So our skin lightening ingredient that we are going to use is 12.5 grams of licorice extract. You can use any skin lightening or any skin whitening ingredient of your choice. Just follow the manufacturer instruction. So I also use 12.5 grams of mulberry extract, which is also a whitening ingredient too, and they are all water soluble ingredients. So you'll be wondering how we are going to mix it with the oil. We are going to use 7.5 grams of Polysorbate 80, which will help the whitening ingredient, which is water soluble, to mix with the oil, because it's an emulsifier too. So it will help to mix with the oil so that it won't separate. The whitening ingredient will not separate from the oil. And I'll use 2.5 grams of preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice, but this particular preservative is used for products that contain oils. You can use any preservative of your choice, because I add the water soluble ingredient. That's the reason why I'm adding the preservative. So add your beeswax to your butter and oils, and we are going to double boil it to melt. We are going to double boil it to melt. You can choose to leave the preservative out, because the oil is more than the water. All you have to make sure is when you are using it, make sure you don't bring water. Make sure there's no water in your hand to touch your butter. So I'm going to mix my whitening ingredients. So I have poured my licorice and my mulberry extract, and I will add my Polysorbate and stir very well. You can use whitening ingredient. All you need is dissolve it in water so that you can add it to your product. So you stir very well. So if you are using powder ingredient, make sure you follow the manufacturer instruction how to dissolve it. I will add it to my oils, because my oils has already melted. I will add to it and stir very well. So you stir very well, and this really works. And when you apply it on your skin, you feel the oil, like you feel this is butter. Yes, so if you have oil skin, I will not advise you to use this, but those who have normal skin and dry skin can use it. So I will add my preservative and I will stir very well. It's easy to make butter, but because water and oil don't mix together, that is the reason why I use Polysorbate. Yes. So I will add my rose essential oil, 2.5 grams. You can choose to add fragrant oil too. Pour into a clean sanitized container, and your butter is ready. All you need to do is to let it cool completely. Yeah, let it cool completely before you cover it, and you have your skin whitening butter, which work very well. Use it morning and night. Yeah, and your skin is really going to glow. Continuing use, your skin is going to whiten. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share my video. Bye bye.